Pretty good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel and for the drawing progression. So I have now lost track how many videos. I think this is the sixth one, so let's just get on with it. I decided to draw Angelina Jolie purely because she has got a really distinctive face and structure, and she's just generally just a really lovely to draw. I really enjoyed it because it actually pushed me out of my comfort zone. She has a very distinct jaw and eyes, and trying to capture the eyes was quite difficult, but hopefully you can actually see some similarities to her actual face, and the reference drawing I will try and pop in the description box below. So again, I tried to keep to the good speed, which is 4 minutes, and then 1 minute to actually take stock and actually analyze what I need to work on. So the first one was good speed. I used the Loomis method along with geometric and observational techniques, and I used the gestural technique for the hair. Here I really do need to try and work on. It's not my strongest suit purely because I've not really worked a lot on it, so that's one thing I do need to practice. The next one did not work out at all, but I did learn quite a bit from it. The face is far too squashed. The mouth, I don't know what happened with the mouth, and the eyes just look as if the person's really angry. So yeah, not really happy with that one, but trying to steer clear of negative kind of thoughts and just kind of look at it from more of a learning experience and trying to go from there. I did find that I was actually using darker, heavier lines instead of the lighter lines, which is something that I'm trying to continue to improve upon. And it was again Loomis method and the same methods as previously. The third one, as if the eyes are starting to get there a wee bit more, as well as the nose and the mouth. The hair I actually ran out of time on, trying to keep to the good speed, but I feel like if I can get the structure of the actual main topic, which is the face and the features, the hair I can come back to and practice some more later. But yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome of today's drawings, first lot of drawings this morning I should say, and I'm just really happy with how my drawings are progressing and the skills I'm achieving. Again, if you'd like to see other drawings or other topics, other people, actors, celebrities, historical figures in the past, then please feel free to let me know in the description below, and if you can subscribe, that would mean a lot to me, and I shall see you next time. Bye.